Welcome to the Nambung National Park in Western Australia, home to the fascinating pinnacles. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with Dee and Nat. Today we are going to take you on a mesmerizing journey through the enchanting pinnacles that make this park so unique and breathtaking. First of all, let's get the park entry tickets. The cost of the entry ticket is only $15 per vehicle. We drove along the scenic coral coast to get to the Pinnacles Desert from Perth. It took us about 2 hours to get there. Now we are at the Pinnacles View. This is where the Desert View Walk Trail starts. Let's see what they want us to be cautious about. They advise to look for trail markers, so you know your way around. Always walk with someone else or let someone know that you are going on this trail. Make sure you take plenty of water with you to avoid dehydration. Finally, don't forget to wear sunscreen, long sleeves and a hat to avoid sunburn. As you can see, there are thousands of limestone pillars. The pinnacles have been shaped by wind and rain. They evolved over thousands of years. Some say they look like ancient ruins, while others see them as alien landscapes. But one thing is sure, that this is a paradise for travelers. Some of the tallest pinnacles are about 3.5 meters. Look at this. This is almost twice as tall as me. Make sure you don't climb on these pinnacles. Some of the limestone pillars can be very fragile. You can also drive your car in a drivetrain. It is only 4 kilometers long, but there are plenty of spots that you can stop the car and enjoy the view and walk around the pinnacles. Let's pay a quick visit to the Pinnacles Desert Discovery Center. There, you can find a lot of information for your knowledge bank. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.